Hi there, Micah here with Barber Haskill. Just want to do a quick video to show everyone induction. Now, a lot of times people will think, I don't know about induction, it's too new. It's not, it was invented in the 1930s. Another thing people think, I need to go buy thousands of dollars worth of pots. Another thing with induction is if your pots at home are flat on the bottom and they hold a magnet, 99.99% they're going to work on induction. So how induction works is it basically works through magnetism. So what I'll do here is I'll turn on this element right here on this KitchenAid induction range and I will power it up to power boil. Now first of all, what you'll see is that the element doesn't turn on until it senses the pot. So a lot of times people will say, well, but what about your ring? It has to fill a certain amount of the element for it to work. Now, what you'll see is I have this pot here. There's just a little bit of water for demonstration purposes, but as I put it on, you can almost hear it, it'll connect. So on normal electric glass top ranges or a coil range, what happens is the element gets hot, then the pot gets hot. On induction, it uses the pot as the element. So the glass isn't getting hot, the pot is getting hot. So you'll see, again, not a lot of water, but this will be at a rolling boil in no time at all. So on top of safety of it not turning on top of how quick it'll boil, as you'll see, another really cool part about it is how controllable it is. So once this pot is at a boil, I'll show you how I can put it straight to a simmer. A lot of recipes tell you to bring to a boil, now bring to simmer. And on normal traditional ranges like normal electric or gas, you basically have to take it off the element or else it keeps it boiling. So again, there's not a lot of water in here, but as you can see, it's already at a rolling boil and it's been under a minute. Now, like I said, what I think is a neat part about it, how controllable. So I can take this at a rolling boil and put it down to a simmer, and it kicks in and it's instantly at a simmer. Now, another part about this is how easy it is to clean. As you'll see, I'll turn this off, and this element is only hot because of the residual heat from the pot, which makes it a lot easier to clean so things don't get so caked on. Now, there's lots of different induction models from Frigidaire to KitchenAid to Samsung to Electrolux. Now, and you can come in and see us anytime. We'll be more than happy to show you all of them.